Welcome to the B2B Breakthrough Podcast. I'm your host, Sierra Cristo.
It's really important to have those folks at Comic-Cons, those booth neighbors, because I consider these folks my coworkers, because I don't have an office with a bunch of people that I can just talk with over lunch or something like that. These are the people that know me, that know my product, and I know them and I know their product. And it's just a nice community to foster this, innovation and new ideas. And, most of them are highly creative people as well. So they're always coming out with ideas. It's like, oh, maybe you should do this, or maybe you should do this. And it's like, all right, yeah, that's a good idea. And especially when multiple people sort of come to the same conclusion about a product. Like, if they both say the same thing, they're like, all right, there's obviously something here that I don't see yet. So that really gets me thinking about the future of the product and new ways to bring something to market.
Has that conversation drifted into the world of supply chain? I know we always have to bring it back to something a little bit less glamorous, but as you talk with these folks, is there a sense of community? Is there a sense of we're in it together when it comes to facing these headwinds that we talked about earlier?
Yeah. Oh, definitely. Most definitely. There's always been conversation about, manufacturing, the best protocols, how to get things made, where to get things made. There's always conversations about this. And that has definitely fostered new relationships and new ways to sort of view the same thing. So whether that's, moving manufacturing to another country or moving it domestically or whatever, there's always different ways to navigate the manufacturing system.